Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marks video. Today we're going to be doing Budgie to the Rescue Part 5 by me. Let's get into it. Play noises or something like that. Huh? Let's go. Budgie, I guess someone lives here? And there's the flag. I'm going to get to it. Huh? 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 Yay. Huh? It's go time. Spikes. Vines, yay. Climb. Huh, huh, huh. Meow, 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 meow. We'll see about that. I'm number 1. Back. Let's go. Ah, crap. The flag is on the other side. I know, I will go to the other side. Over this fallen tree. Yay. Let's go. Oh, gross. But I have to get across. It smells... Well, here goes nothing. Ow, ow, wow. Oh, no. Oh. Let's go. We better not make the same mistake again. Here we go. It still smells bad. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, there's the flag. Let's go. Whoa, this is up high. This is longer than usual. Right then, up we go. Whoa, wee. What? Let's go. Whoa. Hey, there it is. Let's go. Hey, lights. Yay, lights. And the flag. Let's go. Whoa, that's really green. Onto the boat with the turtle, because why not? And there's the flag. It's go time. Oh boy, vines. Oh, that's the same place as usual. Oof. Hello? I'm number 1. Come back here. Where are you going? I thought we discussed about it. You don't get tired of running away, do you? So wait. To be continued. So that'll be all for this video. If you guys please enjoy, like and subscribe and share. Ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss further content. I'll be seeing you guys in the next Budgie Marks video.